up guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you're new on this channel, my name is Khadijah. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair installation video. Today we'll be installing a unit from Sunber here. This is their packaging. Today we're installing their 4x4 glueless unit. I'm just going to show you guys what I received inside my package today. So we received a goodie bag along with our wig. So this is the unit we're working with today. This unit is a 4x4 reddish brown deep wave unit. The difference between this wig and other wigs is that this wig is a breathable lace. What that means is that you can see the cap construction is different. This cap construction actually allows your scalp to breathe and it gives more airflow. This is their upgraded breathable lace. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description. Make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a wig grip band on. I'm also going to just go ahead and put a wig cap over this. So what I just realized about this unit is that there is no lace for us to cut off. Basically, the unit comes fully customized. There is no lace. The strap is attached, it's already plugged. Pretty much everything was done to the unit already. So let's go ahead and put her wig on and see what she looks like. I did not realize there was no lace on this unit. Let's put this on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. There is no lace for us to cut off. This is it. There is no lace for us to cut off. The wig comes fully customized, like 100% customized and ready to wear. This is it. So what I'm about to do now is to just push my hairline back a little bit and I can see the track. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these off. But pretty much everything was done to the unit already. So I just adjust my brightness. I feel like this is giving more natural lighting. I don't know, it was so bright, but I adjusted the lighting. So yeah, it is giving a different vibes. But I will be using my Sunber wax stick to push my hairline back. And then we get some curls into this unit. But this is what the wig is looking like. I felt like the lighting before was literally like changing the color of the unit, so we adjusted that. So this is the real color of the wig and I love it. It's giving a really nice reddish, burgundish, brown, auburn looking color. Yes, so this is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So I'm just applying some foundation around the hairline. It is completely glueless, but to blend it a little bit better, I'm just applying some foundation to the hairline. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Palm Mitchell Skinny Serum just to add a little bit more silkiness and moisture to this unit. I love this color. Like, this color is so pretty. I love this color, especially now that it's wet. It's giving a really nice look. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Palm Mitchell Skinny Serum to give it a little bit more silk and a little bit more moisture. So this is the finished look. This is it. It's a quick 5-minute grab and go wig. It comes fully customized. It's 100% glueless. This is it. Overall, the unit is just so pretty and it comes fully customized. It's easy to install. It's 100% glueless and 100% beginner friendly. I truly have no problem with this unit. It's super easy to install. This is it. Again, today we're featuring Sunber here, and this is their 4x4 reddish brown glueless deep wave wig. This is their breathable lace wig, and it is giving a really nice vibe. The wig comes fully customized, no work needed, no glue needed. It's already pre-plugged, the strap is attached. Everything was pretty much done to the unit. It's 100% beginner friendly, 100% glueless, and I am loving it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sunber here, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is the final look. It is giving a really nice natural look, and I love this color. I feel like it suits me very well, and I love it. This is it. It's 100% glueless. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in another video.